In a small village nestled between rolling hills and dense forests, there lived an elderly storyteller named Arya. Her tales were legendary, filled with enchantment and wisdom, drawing listeners from far and wide. Every evening, villagers would gather around a roaring fire, eager to hear her latest story. One cool autumn evening, as the leaves turned golden and the air crisp, Arya began her tale. Long ago, in the heart of the enchanted forest, there was a hidden grove known only to a select few. This grove was home to a magical tree that bore silver apples, each one said to grant a single wish. The tree was guarded by a gentle yet fierce creature named Zephyr, a fox with fur that shimmered like starlight. Zephyr was entrusted with protecting the tree by the forest spirits. He ensured that only those with pure intentions could make a wish. One day, a young girl named Elara stumbled upon the grove while searching for her lost lamb. Her heart was pure, filled with kindness and a desire to help others. Seeing her, Zephyr approached cautiously. "Who are you, and what brings you to this sacred place?" Zephyr asked, his eyes reflecting the twilight. Elara, though startled, answered honestly. "I am Elara. I have lost my lamb and have been searching for hours. I did not mean to intrude." Zephyr saw the sincerity in her eyes and nodded. "You may make a wish, Elara. But remember, wishes are powerful. Use it wisely." Elara pondered for a moment, then spoke. "I wish for the ability to heal others, so no one in my village has to suffer from illness or injury again." The fox was taken aback by her selflessness. With a swift motion, he plucked the silver apple from the tree and handed it to her. "Your wish is granted," he said. "But remember, with great power comes great responsibility." Elara returned to her village, where she discovered her new gift of healing. Word spread quickly, and soon people from neighboring villages came to her for help. True to her nature, Elara used her power wisely and compassionately, never asking for anything in return. Years passed, and Elara became known as the Healing Maiden. The village prospered, and no one suffered needlessly again. One day, an old woman approached Elara. She recognized the familiar shimmer in the woman's eyes. "Zephyr?" Elara asked, realizing the fox had taken human form. Zephyr smiled. "Your wish has brought immense good, Elara. The spirits of the forest are pleased. They wish to grant you one final gift." Elara shook her head gently. "I need no gift, Zephyr. Knowing that I have helped others is enough for me." Zephyr nodded, understanding her humble heart. "Then the forest spirits will ensure your village is forever protected and blessed with abundance. You have proven that true power lies in selflessness and kindness." And so, the village thrived under Elara's care, blessed by the enchanted forest and its guardians. Elara's legacy lived on, a testament to the power of a single wish made with a pure heart. Arya finished her story as the fire crackled softly, the villagers' faces glowing with admiration and reflection. They understood that true magic lay not in the wish itself, but in the heart that made it. And thus, the story of Elara and Zephyr became one of the village's most cherished tales, reminding everyone that the greatest power of all is kindness. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe.